Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop and everything in the crypto space. If you're watching my video for the first time, I would say a very big welcome to you. And if you are not part of our interesting family, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Currently we are 1,280 subscribers. Our goal is to hit over 5,000 subscribers before the end of this year. And what I do is I post content on cryptocurrencies, airdrop. I look for trending coins, popular coins. I check whether they are scam, whether people can invest money, and I open your eyes to opportunities on coins you can invest in, both the popular projects, solid projects, and even the shit coins and the meme coins. So if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, I even do videos on technical analysis and a lot of stuff in the crypto space. So if that is what you like, you really like cryptocurrency, you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, you can hit the subscribe button, join our growing community, and learn from us while we also learn from you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button like I said earlier. Today I'll be talking about a coin that I noticed is trending on CoinMarketCap like I always do. This coin is called Kishimoto Inu. Kishimoto Inu is the coin trending on CoinMarketCap. I think it's in second place today. The first coin trending on CoinMarketCap, I made a video on it. You can check the video before this one. Now Kishimoto Inu has pumped over 643%. In fact, there was a time it got to around 800%. The time I noticed it, but now it has come down a little. So guys, if you look at this, this was around 7:05 p.m. yesterday. This coin was 7.43 million market cap, and around 9 it went to 12.9 million market capitalization. Then now it has 9 million. It has moved up. Currently around 4:15 a.m. this morning, this coin pumped massively to this point, and it had over 14.74 million market cap, which means it's actually almost doubled the money it started with. That was around 7 p.m. yesterday. So today it has gotten to this position, and currently it came down a little around 6:15 a.m. and it has gone up again. So guys, a lot of people will be searching for these cryptocurrencies because people are looking for fast money. They want to make millions in one day. I just laugh because most of the time when you are too desperate to make money in crypto, quickly want to do pump and dump scheme, you end up losing money because many of these coins are actually scam coins, and the people that create the coin might just want to also make money themselves. When you invest your money in the rug pool, and after rug pooling simply means they remove liquidity from the coin, then you end up losing money because you will not be able to sell the coin again. Well, that being said, let's look at the information we can get about this coin. My aim is to see whether this coin is a project you can invest in, and there are some factors that I put into consideration when I'm checking for coins like this to know if there are coins you can invest in. I look at the market capitalization, that's the amount of money that is invested on the coin, the 24 hours trading volume. I check the community, I check the website, I check the white paper, I check what the project is about, I check many informations generally. Then with the information I get, I now come to a conclusion personally to see whether the coin is worth investing or not. Note, my conclusion might not be right, it might not be wrong, but I use the information I'm able to gather. So I might check CoinMarketCap and check other platforms, check a cryptocurrency, and the information I get there are not enough to convince me that the coin is a solid project, and I'll tell you the coin is not a solid project. Maybe later on you might go on to find out that it's a solid project or stuff, but most of the time my predictions are usually correct. So let's quickly check. Let me see if we can say anything about this Kishimoto. They say the purpose of Kishimoto is to overperform all other existing cryptocurrencies with our smart coding that benefits loyal holders. We will be building an exclusive self-sufficient NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs with your Kishimoto token. Tokens will be attainable through our swap, which you have more details on very soon. Well, this is basically, it doesn't really move me. I'm not impressed with this. They said they want to become the cryptocurrency that will outperform other cryptocurrency. From there, technically, I'm telling you this is going to be a pump and dump coin. They said they want to create a self-sufficient NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell NFT with your Kishimoto token. So what is Kishimoto about? No much information about it. Maybe they might have more information on their website, but from what I've seen here, I'm not impressed. This project is a pump and dump scheme, obviously. Let's move forward. Currently, there is no data on the 24 hours low and the 24 hours high. We have the price change in the last 24 hours, no market capitalization. So with this, you don't even have enough information about this coin. Now let's move to the Kishimoto website. From the Kishimoto website, you see this is Land of the Rising coin, and this coin is from this Kishimoto is like an Asian coin because this is like a samurai picture, if I'm right. Well, welcome to Kishimoto. Kishimoto is the latest Anime and Inu based token released on the ERC20 network. That is, it's released on the Ethereum network, not the Binance Matching network. It will be a medium for Anime transaction and monetary system on its own. Its purpose is to overpower all other existing. It's the same thing that was posted on CoinMarketCap that's actually posted here. So I'm not seeing anything impressive about this project for now. Basically, let me just scroll through. Where is that community? They only have a Telegram group, which is not convincing enough, and they are only listed on, for now, this is 1inch. Yeah, 1inch exchange, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Well, that's where they are, and the only place you can buy this coin, I think, is just on PancakeSwap. Let me scroll down and see whether there's any other platform. Okay, Uniswap, Shiba Swap. Only Uniswap and Shiba Swap, right? And that is where you can buy the coin. So let me copy the contract address and take it to the ERC20 network, since it's operating on the ERC20 network, to see whether there's anything positive from this coin, because right now I'm not impressed with this token and I cannot advise anybody to invest money on it, right? So this is the coin. Paste the address on the ERC network. Now this is it, Kishimoto Inu. Okay. People are actually, in the last minutes, 4 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, 19 minutes, people are not really buying like the way I was expecting. I was expecting it to be in the last 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. The interval is too low. I'm not convinced that this coin is a solid project. So let me see from here. Let's check the comments. There is no comment on this coin. So basically, this coin is new. A lot of people have not invested money on this, so I cannot say, but with the information I've gathered so far, I think this coin is a scam coin. And I will tell you that if you really want to invest in this coin, I will tell you to hold on a bit so that we can know if this coin is a solid project. And if you have invested in this coin, you have made profit, please leave a comment on the comment of this video so that we can have a guide, because I don't just comment to give you videos and tell you everything that happened. I've not invested in this coin, so I don't know if it's a scam coin or not, but with the information I've gathered, there is enough for me to believe that this coin is not a solid project. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. If there's any cryptocurrency you want me to talk about, you can leave that in the comment section. I'm talking very fast, so that I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, this is where I take my bow.